So some of the more difficult questions we have are with clients when they've lost a loved one, and we have to discuss the possibility of probate with them. So how would you describe what probate is to a client?
Well, it can take different forms, but generally probate is the legal court process of transferring a deceased person's assets to their heirs and resolving any debts they may have had at the time that they passed away. When we have that conversation, inevitably we come to the question of, is probate required?
Which is sometimes a difficult question to answer, but probate usually, situationally, is for things that someone owned at their death individually. In other words, not with a joint owner, but also that didn't have a designated and a valid legal beneficiary for it. And along those lines, a lot of times we have the question, does probate only matter when somebody had a will at their death?
And probate is the process whether you have a will or not. If you have a valid will accepted by the probate court, that's going to control who's in charge of your estate and the distributions from your estate. If you don't have a valid will, then Tennessee law will control, and that's just another reason to have a last will and testament.